Creative ways to reuse and recycle plastic. DIY projects for a greener future. In today's fast-paced world, plastic has become an integral part of our daily lives, serving various purposes from storing food and beverages to holding household cleaning products. However, the sheer volume of plastic waste generated poses a significant environmental challenge. As society becomes increasingly aware of the impact of plastic pollution, it is crucial to explore ways to recycle and reuse this material effectively. Engaging in DIY projects not only helps reduce waste, but also promotes sustainable living. Below are several innovative ideas for reusing and recycling plastic items that can minimize your environmental footprint while sparking creativity and resourcefulness. 1. Repurpose coffee creamer containers for snacks. After you've enjoyed your favorite coffee creamer, don't toss the container aside. Instead, give it a new life by using it for snack storage. These containers are perfect for carrying various snacks, such as nuts, dried fruits, or granola. You can also use them to store pantry staples like salt, sugar, and spices, keeping your kitchen organized and reducing waste. 2. Transform detergent bottles into watering cans. Why purchase a new watering can when you can create one from an empty detergent bottle? Once you've finished the detergent, simply clean the bottle and use a drill or sharp object to punch holes in the cap. This simple modification allows you to water your plants effectively, while reusing a container that would otherwise end up in a landfill. Just be sure to remove any labels to avoid confusion when watering your garden. 3. Create vertical gardens from plastic bottles. Those 2-liter plastic bottles lying around your home can be transformed into stunning vertical gardens. Start by cleaning the bottles and removing any labels. Poke drainage holes in the top third of the bottle and create a side hole halfway down. Cut the bottle in half horizontally, flip the top half upside down, and insert it back into the bottom half. Add soil and plants, using a fabric strip to keep the soil moist. This unique gardening method saves space and adds greenery to your environment. 4. Make a piggy bank for kids. Encouraging children to save money can be fun with a DIY piggy bank made from a plastic bottle. Paint the bottle in bright colors, or leave it transparent for kids to see their savings grow. Cut a slot in the lid for coins, and watch as they learn the value of saving while also participating in an eco-friendly project. 5. Turn laundry detergent containers into beach buckets. Instead of purchasing a new beach bucket, you can repurpose an empty laundry detergent container. Cut the top off the bottle to create a bucket that is perfect for collecting shells, sand, or toys at the beach. This practical solution not only saves money, but also reduces plastic waste. 6. Create a trash can from plastic bottles. With a little creativity, you can transform larger plastic containers into functional trash cans. Simply cut the top off the container, leaving the cylindrical base intact. This DIY project provides a cost-effective way to manage waste while contributing to a cleaner environment. 7. Make planters for indoor plants. Plastic bottles can be easily converted into planters for your indoor plants. Cut the bottles in half, fill them with soil, and plant your favorite herbs or flowers. This not only gives your plants a unique home, but also reduces plastic waste. 8. Fashion a bird feeder from a plastic bottle. Encourage local wildlife by creating a bird feeder from a plastic bottle. Cut openings in the sides of the bottle, fill it with birdseed, and hang it from a tree branch. This project provides a food source for birds while reusing plastic materials. 9. Construct a DIY organizer. Small plastic containers can be used to create organizers for your desk, craft supplies, or kitchen utensils. Arrange them in a drawer or on a shelf for a neat and tidy space, giving new life to plastic items that would otherwise be discarded. 10. Create a reusable water bottle. If you have a clean, sturdy plastic bottle, consider repurposing it as a reusable water bottle. Fill it with water and carry it with you throughout the day, reducing the need for single-use plastic bottles. 11. Upcycle plastic bags into mats. Plastic grocery bags can be woven together to create durable mats or bags. This upcycling project not only reduces plastic waste, but also provides a useful item for your home or as a gift. By incorporating these creative ideas into your daily life, you can significantly reduce your plastic waste while engaging in fun and rewarding DIY projects. Not only do these initiatives minimize your environmental impact, but they also promote a culture of sustainability and resourcefulness. As we face the challenges posed by plastic pollution, every small effort counts toward creating a cleaner, healthier planet. Embrace the power of creativity and take action to transform plastic waste into something useful and beautiful. Together, we can make a difference, one project at a time.